Disclaimer, this is not in any way, shape, or form encouraging the consumption of alcohol. Please drink responsibly. Hangover helpers, like hamburger helpers, but less tasty. I'll go first. Hi, my name's Elle, and I like to party. Let's just start and get this out of the way. Please drink responsibly and legally, and never, 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 ever, ever, ever get behind the wheel of a car. Deal? Great. Happy National Hangover Day! I'm personally not a huge fan of New Year's, or I guess New Year's Eve, because like whatever, you get it. It's always a super hyped up holiday and you feel pressured to go out and drink and have a good time. And in my experience, it's never been the most fun night of my life. I always end up feeling disappointed by 12:15, where it's like, oh, everything's over and like, that was cool, I guess. Anyway, if you're a grown-up and drank some alcohol last night, chances are you're feeling like this.
My head.
So I'm going to share some tips and tricks that I have picked up over the years to help you feel better after a night of liquid courage, if you know what I mean. Spoiler alert, I'm not going to talk about IVs because one, they're not available everywhere, and two, they're like $100, which is absolutely ridiculous. So let's get started. Oh, wait. All right, I'm ready. Let's do this. Phase 1. The pre-drink. So before you even start drinking, it's important to prepare. The two most important things to do are 1, make sure you're drinking plenty of water the day of. Alcohol dehydrates you, so you should at least try to stay hydrated. And 2, make sure you eat a solid dinner before you start drinking. Drinking on an empty stomach will increase your chances of throwing up, and you'll have a terrible hangover. Eating a hearty meal before you even start drinking will line your stomach. That'll allow you to process and metabolize the alcohol slower, which will equal less of a hangover. Phase 2, pick your poison. Alrighty, you got the choice between vodka, gin, tequila, or whiskey. Avoid sugary drinks and beer. Beer has the highest amount of congeners, which is the toxic substance that is produced during fermentation. So more toxins equals worse hangover symptoms. Also, try to stick to one type of alcohol throughout the night. Mixing different kinds of drinks will equal a recipe for disaster. Alright, I need to limit the amount of math. Equals plus this equals this, and we're done. Too much math for a hangover. Sorry about that. Phase 3, Hangover Preventers. So there are a variety of hangover pills or products of that nature out there that claim to save you from the dreadful woes of a hangover. Personally, I've tried PartySmart, the patch, and DHM Detox, and the patch was kind of strange. It like fell off, like I don't know, it's not my jam, but if it works for you, cool. I encourage you to try it because some people swear by it. PartySmart, I don't think did anything, or else there was no coming back from that hangover and I just wrote it off as it doesn't work. But I do often use DHM Detox. A lot of these products seem like a money grab, and I was kind of reluctant to try them at first because I thought it was just a waste of money, but DHM Detox has been a lifesaver for me if I remember to take them. They only help you if you actually consume them. The amount of times I've woken up to these just like nicely laid out on my bedside table unopened, just like a gentle reminder if I'm a complete idiot. I don't know a whole lot about the science behind these. My understanding is that they're filled with vitamins that your body is depleted of after a night of drinking. Could be a placebo effect, who knows? I'm not a scientist. In my experience, these have really helped with the hangover symptoms. It's not really a cure. I still feel really tired and sluggish. It definitely cuts down on the severity of the hangover symptoms. So I continue to take them because anything that is going to decrease my hangover symptoms, I'm here for. Also, side note, sorry, my voice is really raspy, which I guess is kind of like on theme. I'm not hungover right now, but I did go out a few days ago and my voice has not recovered, so I'm such a model citizen, it's really great. Phase 4, sleep. Need I say more? Phase 5, rehydrate. Alright, so I have 6, count 'em, 6 favorite drinks to help rehydrate my body after I've just drained it of all its water. The first one is Pickle Juice. This seems kind of gross, but it does fill your body with sodium and potassium to rehydrate your body and help you recover. I also like to eat the pickles because they're so good and salty, and like that's what your body kind of craves when you're dehydrated. Number 2 is Gatorade, but only if it's in this bottle because this is a fun bottle and I feel like a child with a sippy cup, and that's really my mindset when I'm hungover. I am such a baby. It's very soothing. But yeah, Gatorade is good for electrolytes, obviously, and it tastes good. Okay, the next one is coconut water. This is kind of repulsive to me. I really want to like it because I like the smell of coconuts and it's supposed to be really good for you and it's not too sugary, but oh god, it's just such a strange texture. Here, let me try it. Ugh. It's like the aftertaste and the texture, I can't. If I know I'm gonna be puking in the morning, sometimes I just drink this to like induce the puking. I'm kidding, but I'm low-key not. This is really gross. I just literally plug my nose and drink this down. Anyways, this does recharge your body and rehydrates you, but it's kind of gross. You've been warned, okay? You're welcome. Then we have BodyArmor. This is actually kind of a combination of Gatorade and coconut water because there's coconut water in it and it has electrolytes and it kind of tastes like a Gatorade. So it's kind of the best of both worlds, but it generally has the same effects of just rehydrating your body. Another favorite of mine are these Nuun hydration tablets. They look like horse pills. Yikes. But no, you just drop them in water and it fills your body with electrolytes. I especially like these for traveling or when I'm too lazy to go to the store and actually get a Gatorade or BodyArmor. You just drop one of the tablets into 8 ounces? 16 ounces? Whatever of water. And this isn't really like sweet. I guess it's a little bit flavored, but it doesn't really taste like much. And so if you're nauseous, these are a really good option because it's not too overpowering of a taste. And finally, good old Pedialyte. This product is intended for babies when they are sick and need to rehydrate. And because drunk people and babies are basically at the same brain function, it's perfect. This is a real favorite for some. I do gravitate towards this when I'm really hungover, but it does kind of make me feel like waterlogged and bloated, but I'll take that over feeling super dehydrated and hungover. Phase 6, relax and recharge. Alrighty, next thing you're gonna want to do is pop an Advil. Ibuprofen, yeah. Actually, ibuprofen. You can buy the generic, they are the exact same thing. This will reduce inflammation and the headache that you probably have because you're dehydrated. While you're waiting for the ibuprofen to kick in, I recommend taking a hot shower. The steam will make you feel a whole lot better and you can sweat out the shame from the night before. I also recommend doing skincare at this time. Hopefully you didn't sleep in your makeup last night. If you did, no judgment, but really? Even if I did take my makeup off the night before, chances are it was not the deepest of clean. So I always like to really wash my face. I'll use my Foreo to exfoliate and wake up my skin. And then I go directly in with a hydrating, uber hydrating sheet mask. Not only is my body dehydrated from the night before, my face is too. My face is also on my body, so like, you gotta take care of both.
Excuse me, sir. You're sitting on my body, which is also my face.
Phase 7, do something. Get some fresh air, go for a light walk, or literally sit outside for 10 minutes and you'll feel so much better. In my experience, I can spend all day just wallowing in my hangover and I'll still feel hungover by 7 p.m. Or I can try to get out of bed and accomplish something and it can make me feel just a tiny bit better. Part of it is simply just distracting yourself from the hangover symptoms you're feeling, and fresh air can really work wonders on just recharging your body. Ooh, I'm starting to sound a little granola-y, like next put the crystal on your forehead, chakras or something. I actually know nothing about that, so I should stop talking. Phase 8, the only true hangover cure. What's the only true cure for a hangover, you ask? time. It'll go away eventually, so quit your bitching. Also, you brought this on yourself and I don't feel bad for you. I hope those tips were helpful and I hope the rest of your year is just delightful from here on out. Loud noises! Sorry, I couldn't help it. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe if you feel so inclined and have a happy new year. I'm getting sweaty. This sweatsuit's too hot right now. It's fine. I'm fine. It's all good. Everything's great.